What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay, to all my crafters, here we are right where I left off. I'm just seeing tons of the Offray brand ribbons, lots and lots of ribbons, lots and lots of decorative mesh in all different colors. Wow, we have silky ribbon down here, and most of it is name brand. It says, must be sold by the spool, 3 yards. Look at this. This is all the Offray ribbon. These are so pretty. I love the pink one. Ooh, look at these. 3 yards. Oh, I thought that was red. I was gonna say that would be really cute for Christmas. Some locations just have huge amounts of craft supplies, ribbons, and things like that. These are gorgeous. Speaking of gorgeous, I have a quick 120 second to 150 second unboxing from unahubs.ru. They make a lot of replica bags and accessories. This is a Chanel replica, yes, in lambskin. This is the Chanel black medium size lambskin leather flap bag with gold hardware. If you guys remember the bag I got from Una Hubs last month, it was a purple Chanel bag, replica of course, with silver hardware. This one has a little bit of a different texture. The lambskin is so smooth, like it feels so nice, and the quilting is really soft and nice. It is super, super pretty, and they really took a lot of care to protect all of the hardware. They did an amazing job. They even protected the zipper. It is so pretty, and I just love the classy burgundy interior. This bag is so, so pretty. You can wear it right up under your arm, or you can slink the strap down a little bit and wear it a little longer at your hip. It is a really nice size bag. It has room for a full-size wallet and maybe a couple lipsticks or lip products. Now, you guys, all the info is down below in the description box. They shared with me their TikTok, their WhatsApp, their website, and a link to the bag, as well as a promo code. So thank you, Una Hubs, for sending this gifted bag my way. No, I was not paid to share this bag with you guys. I was just gifted the bag, and I really, really like it. If you guys have been looking for a designer-inspired bag, or maybe been hoping for a designer bag, but just can't seem to spend that money, I think designer-inspired or replica bags is definitely going to be the choice for you, because you're going to get the quality, but you're not going to spend the thousands. I really love this one, and I love my purple one from Una Hubs. I am super, super happy. So you guys definitely click the links down below and get yourself one too. We still have 4th of July ribbon. We have these pretty ones, the jeweled ones. Now these ones are not Offray. Sheer ribbon, and you get 6 yards. So pretty. I know I'm moving fast, you guys, but it is a lot of ribbon. These are mostly the summer floral picks. Now, if you're looking for the fall floral picks, you'll have to head up to the seasonal area. Wow, this is my first time seeing these. Let me park over here so I can share the road. Okay, you guys, look at these. This is my first time seeing these here. You can put your little candles on there. The blue and white. And then we also have this sort of light blue and white. This is a pretty wax melt burner. They also have it in a really bright orange. If you guys want to see some super unique content, head on over to TikTok at Bunny Birdy Gator and check me out over there. I have a lot of binge-worthy content where I cook, melt, and destroy things all on a Dollar Tree wax melt burner. It's a pretty quirky series, you guys, and I basically just take all of your requests, cook, melt, and destroy things, and see what happens. And there's a lot of unexpected things that happen, everything from food to makeup to random objects. Yeah, you guys, it's a super fun series. So if you're bored and you want something to do that's just totally different than other content you've consumed. I mean, I know you guys, kind of weird, but it's this really fun little series that I came up with. So I'd love for you guys to follow me over there. Join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. We have over 300,000 followers over on TikTok. So I'd love for you guys to hop over there and see if there's something worth watching, something that you're interested in watching. Might be my content, maybe someone else's. But anyways, you guys, back to Dollar Tree. Here we are with some 25-cent waters, 25-cent Faygo twists. We have 75-cent Taki meat sticks. This is the clearance area in my location. We have 75-cent liquid detergent pods, 10 in a bag, some summer decor, some little single squeezy juices. We even have a bread back here for 50 cents, a 50-cent bread. That's a pretty great deal. I think I'm gonna get the 50-cent bread. That's an amazing deal, actually. We have some Christmas ribbon for 50 cents. Yes, you guys, lots of deals in the clearance aisle or the clearance bin. Okay, you guys, let's see what else we have. Maybe we can find some really amazing items down this aisle. Crayola Art with Edge Sugar Skulls coloring books. These are brand new, you guys. Brand new, 32 pages by Crayola. Yes, Sugar Skulls. Super cute adult coloring books. I Am Beauty, timeless skincare and beauty for women over 40. That's definitely brand new. We have adult coloring books called Birds. We have landscapes. Daniel Tiger. Oh my gosh, you guys, we actually have Mad Libs here. Mad Libs. You guys know these go for a lot more everywhere else. This is a baby shower Mad Libs. I used to do a lot of Mad Libs with my kids in school. They loved it. I'm hoping to find more in here. Maybe I'll get some for Gator. We have Aladdin, Ollie and Moon. We have, what else? Just so many books. Star Wars. We have Toy Story. We have My Little Pony. We have Sid the Science Kid. Rainbow High jumbo coloring book. Animal coloring books. Full Bloom. These are all adult coloring books. Starry Skies. Let's take a look. Starry Skies. Oh, it looks pretty. Wow, you guys. This location is really impressive. They have such a beautiful collection. A really, really beautiful collection of books and activity books. They even have workbooks, tons of workbooks. Little People, highlights, Disney. All the little characters that your kids like. Oh, what's this? They're calling it decorative tape, 45 feet. I'm just seeing this animal print one. Decorative tape. I wonder if it's like a washi tape. It might be. That's cute. All sorts of puzzles, games. Ooh, they have the planner stickers here. I think I'd like to get some of these. Yes, I am definitely going to grab some of these. I know these are very hard to find, and I'd love to grab some of these to share with you guys during the auctions. We have this one. We have a super cute one that I want to look at that has unicorns on it. Oh, that one looks really cute. Unicorns. Oh my gosh, Gator and I have been watching Bernstein Bears lately. We even have cute little Bernstein Bears puzzles. And in one of my other locations, they even had some Bernstein Bear plushies. Super cute. But hey, you guys, I think that's going to be it for me. I'm going to start right here in my very next video, and I'm going to show you guys all the other new things that I run into. I'm just finding all sorts of great items, name brand items. Look at this, you guys, 100 Ace authentic poker chips, 50 white, 25 red, and 25 blue for $1.25. That is such a great deal. If that's something you guys need in your like game box for around the house, it's definitely a great deal. Maybe you lost a few poker chips last time you and the family had a poker night, or you and the girls, or the last time the boys had a poker night. Instead of spending like $8 to $10 on Amazon, you could just grab them right here in Dollar Tree. But you have to come at least once a week to check and to skim the aisles and to see what's out there. If you don't look, you'll never know what you can find. But hey, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.